In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted videos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Let me delete a video to show you how it works. To delete a video, I'm gonna press on it, tap at delete, and then delete video. That will remove the video from main photo library. However, the video is not actually permanently deleted, because when we delete videos or photos, they are moved to recently deleted albums and they are stored there up to 30 days. If you would like to recover your videos in that 30 days, just open up recently deleted albums. As you can see, I got a bunch of photos and videos here, and under each photo and video it shows the number of days until that photo or video will be permanently deleted. Once you find a video you want to recover, just long press on it and then tap at recover. That will immediately move that video back to your main photo library. Also, we can right from here play some video, and if we would like to recover that video, we are also able to do it right from here by hitting at recover. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.